Welcome, tech enthusiasts and creative minds. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to breathe life into your digital self. Have you ever dreamt of turning a static photo into a dynamic, talking avatar? Well, buckle up because we're about to make that dream a reality. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating your very own AI talking avatar using nothing but a photo of yourself and the wonders of artificial intelligence. It's a fascinating blend of technology and creativity, allowing you to unleash your digital alter ego into the virtual realm. Whether you're a content creator looking to add a unique touch to your videos or just someone eager to explore the cutting edge of AI technology, this tutorial is for you. So, let's dive in and turn your static selfie into a dynamic digital companion that speaks with your own voice.
Alright guys, so first let's go to Google and type the Hagen or Hagen.com. Alright, so click that one and there you go. So AI video generator, click this one. Okay, you're gonna create a video and you're gonna choose if you want a portrait or landscape. So I'm going to create a portrait video. This, click that one, and then it will pop up this one. Click that photo avatar, and then click this one to upload your own picture. So I'm going to my file where I saved that. I'm gonna open this one, and now it's uploading, and now you will see my picture here. So I'm going to choose this one by clicking that one. You can choose this one if you want to, and you can
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
okay, you can test how they sound it.
Hello, this is how I sound.
All right, so just play around with these
Hello,
guys
this is how I sound.
and choose which one you want.
Hi,
to
this
use.
is how I sound. Hope
Okay, so for this tutorial, guys, I'm gonna use Jenny. Okay, so I'm going back here, and we're going to write the script that you want for this avatar to talk about. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a script for me for this avatar. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write in a short introduction about the tutorial. We're going to copy this one and we're going to paste it into our script box. Just make sure that you clean all the script that you don't need for your avatar to mention. So you can change the AI voice here, guys, if you want to. Let's say I'm gonna choose Sarah and click.
Today, we embark on an exciting
Once you've done, you click submit. Okay, so you're going to confirm this one. Just click submit, and now here is the video that I created using my own photo. You know, removing the background and choosing the AI talking avatar inside of Hagen. So let's wait for a second, guys, because it's still processing, and let's see how it sounds like. Okay guys, so when it's done, we're going back here and we're going to download this one. Okay, click this one and download the video and save it to your device. Alright, so that's how you can create AI talking avatar using your own photo. Or you can also use some other characters that Hagen or Hygen, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can also use some of their characters if you want to, or you can use your own photo. But before you do that, you have to remove the background of your photo, upload it to your device, and then bring it to Hagen. Alright, so try it, guys. So let me know, guys, down in the comment if you like it or if you try it. You can share the video that you made it for your AI avatar talking, and let's have fun making this one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you like it. And let's have fun, guys. Try to make your own avatar, talking avatar, using your own photo and share it to me. I hope you have fun making of this, and thank you so much for all your support, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So see you next time, guys. Bye for now.